This is the morning routine. First cleanser, oil cleanser. Wash it for 2 seconds. Then wash off. Second is cleanser. This is a cleanser that cleans up. Wash off. Add a paper towel. Apply toner to hydrate your face. Not all your face. Next is serum. This is fade as acne scars. So this is our recommended serum.